Hi, I'm Brandy. This is the Witch's Bounty box for January 2022. Very excited to open this box. This box was gifted to me, but the opinions are my own. Guided by Freya. And then we have a Freya artwork here. Let's look at the goodies. Oh, we got a beautiful red candle. Beautiful red. We have a black cord for a pendant. We have Draconis Resina. Dragon's blood, right? Smells good at any rate. Let's see what our oil is. Rise. Let's give it a smell. It smells sweet. Oh, we got a stone. Let's check it out. Maybe a garnet? Maybe a garnet. Let's see what they say in the insert. Make sure that we got the rest of our goodies. I'm actually looking for a garnet ring. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, it's her head. Is this the bag? Interesting. Wow, what is it made out of? Let's see. It says sterling silver with a garnet and carved bone. The garnets are so beautiful. I love the rich blood red color. Let's read about this. As we step into a time of growth and transformation, we rely on our knowledge and skills of magical practices to bolster our potential and impact. It is within this confidence that we draw our strength and understanding from. We can truly find beauty, resonance, and power in all things. It is during the coming months where we find strong and resilient energies to connect with, so that we may take full advantage of the growing energies and turning wheels that surround us. One of the many goddess energies that we work with and call upon is Freya. In this very special and one-of-a-kind collection, we work to understand the true power of kindness, love, and divination that Freya is so well known for. The magical items in this box are as follow. Carved bone and garnet Freya pendant. And so Freya means lady in Old Norse. She's associated with love, sex, war, blessings, and a very special form of divination and magical working, cedar. I think I said that right, or maybe a satyr. Freya is considered to be one of the gentler and kinder goddesses, as she works to persuade and conquer through love and passionate means, and has been treated as the Scandinavian counterpart to the Roman goddess Venus or Aphrodite. Owner of the Brisingamen necklace made of amber and fire, Freya corresponds with the gleaming torque or sunny torque. In addition to riding a chariot pulled by two cats, she possesses the adored cloak of falcon feathers, allowing the weather to fly, and often borrowed by other gods during times of distress. Cool. So, red garnet provides us with strength and stability as we work to reach our fullest potential. Beautiful and deep stone not only clears blockages from our emotional and spiritual body, but increases our self-confidence and personal power. It's a transformation stone. It helps us let go of stagnant and hurtful energies, pushing us to step into new light and renewed inspiration. So then there's Rise, magical anointing oil. Rejuvenating your power and sparking your inspiration. It has rose, cinnamon, grapefruit, and amber, as well as oils, as well as jasmine, rose, and blue lotus herbs, and a quartz. Draconis Resina incense sticks. Burning intensity hand rolled felt candle. A natural red garnet. Thought so. And the Book of Shadows artwork. This is just a absolutely beautiful collection. I absolutely love that garnet. I love the color of it. It's very, very beautiful. So I'm going to leave the link for the description below, and you can check that out. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.